Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project ESP8266 web server with LED control with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need two LEDs, jumper wires and Node MCU from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect T1 in the ESP8266 module to LED1 positive pin and connect T2 in the ESP8266 module to LED2 positive pin. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Node MCU using Arduino IDE. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see for the final demonstration. Open any browser from a device that is connected to the same router that your ESP8266. Then type the ESP8266 IP address and click enter. You will get the following interface page. To get the IP address, click the first button in the Node MCU module and check the serial monitor as set the baud rate to 115200 and access the control of the connected LED by it. Some real-time examples of ESP8266 are smart home automation systems, wireless sensor networks, IoT-based weather stations, remote monitoring and control systems. The same mechanism is used in this project. Thank you.